Please write the problem down on your paper. Now follow along with me. First we do the parentheses. So inside of our parentheses, I'm going to do 7 plus 3 is 10. And then I still have the little squared on the outside. My multiplication symbol. Inside of these parentheses, I have 3 squared. Now I do my exponents. This is the step that we're adding today that we haven't done yet. In order to square 10, that means that I do 10 times 10. 2 tens. So 10 times 10 is 100. And then 3 squared is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Your final step is 100 times 9, which is 900. Yay! Let's try the next one. Pause the video if you're behind. Okay, parentheses. There's no parentheses, so we go right to exponents. So the only exponent is this 3 to the 4th power, which means that it's 3 4 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. So this 3 to the 4th power becomes an 81. Then we do our division and multiplication left to right. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Plus 2 times 7 is 14. Left to right, 5 plus 14 is 19. 19 plus 81 is 100. All right, nice job. Pause the video if you're behind. There's no parentheses, so we go to the exponent feature, which is 5 squared. 5 times 5 is 25. So I have my 100 plus my 25 right here, divided by, and instead of 5 squared, I put 25. Next, I have to do my division. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 plus 1 is 101. Okay, go ahead and write down number 4. For number 4, we don't have any parentheses or exponents, so we come to the multiplication and division where we have to go left to right. So the first step is the multiplication because it comes first. Three times 3 is 9. Rewrite everything else. Now we'll do our division step. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Go ahead and write down number 5. This one is the most complicated one we've done so far. We're going to start by doing the top. So I'm going to change the top, and I'm going to go ahead and do 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Then I'm going to rewrite my minus 1, my times 3, and my plus. 6 minus 4 is 2. So I'll go ahead and change that to 2 squared on the top. Then on the bottom, I have 5 times 5, because it's 5 squared, so 5 times 5 means that that's 25. And 3 times 3 right here is 9. Okay, I'm going to go through and do my exponents next. So that becomes 16 minus 1 times 3 plus 4. I'll go ahead and add the 25 and the 9 together on the bottom, which is 34. Don't forget that's a subtraction sign. And then I'll look here on the top, and before I subtract or I add, I have to do my multiplication step. So 1 times 3 changes that to a 3. So now I have 16 minus 3 plus 4 on the top. And I still have 34 on the bottom. Don't forget you do your subtraction step first because you're going left to right. 16 minus 3 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. So I have 17 on the top and 34 on the bottom. So my answer for this one is a fraction. None of them in your homework assignment will be fractions, but this one happens to be a fraction. And when I reduce my fraction, you'll see that 17 is half of 34. So I can reduce that down if I divide them both by 17 to 1/2. Yay! So this was our challenge problem. Go ahead and stop your video and raise your hand if you have any questions.